Hello guys, welcome back to another Inspo. For today's video, here are going to show you how to fix Samsung Electric Range error C-21. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having some issues or you're getting the error code C-21 here on your Samsung Electric Range, well, there are a few things that you need to understand and you need to do here to solve this issue. So if your Samsung Electric Range is showing this error here, it means that the oven has detected that it's overheating. So this is a safety feature designed to prevent further damage or potential hazards here. So the most common causes of this error is first is a defective heating element, which in this case might be the one overheating here, and also a blocked air vent here, which prevents heat from escaping. That's why it's overheating. And also you may have a faulty thermostat here, so it can properly regulate the oven temperature. That's why you're getting the C-21. So how do you fix this issue? So first thing that you may want to do here is you may want to clean the air vents. So you want to open up your oven here and look at the air vents behind the door. So usually in this area here. Now, if there are any grease, debris, or buildup here, gently clean it using a soft brush. Now, use a vacuum cleaner to suck up any loose dirt or dust around the vent area here, but be careful. Now, also block vents trap heat inside the oven, which can trigger overheating sensors. Now, once you've done that and that still doesn't solve your issue, well, in this case, there are other things here that you may want to do. But I would highly recommend you to only do this if you know what you're doing. So, if you don't know what you're doing, it is highly recommended that you reach out to a technician. So, in this case, you may want to replace your thermostat here. So a bad thermostat is a common reason for overheating here. So what you need to do is you want to turn off your oven, unplug it from the power source, remove the oven door, and to make space for the actual repair. Now unscrew and remove the back panels so you can access the thermostat here, and carefully remove the capillary tube. So in this case, this senses the temperature here. Undo the screws and take out the thermostat bracket here. Label the wires connected to the thermostat so you know where each one goes here, and remove the faulty thermostat and install the new one. Reconnecting the wires according to the labels that you made and put the capillary tube back in place, and then reattach the back panels and reinstall the oven door here. Now, in this case, you could go and try doing this and see if that solves the issue. But if not, the last thing that you could try doing here is to basically inspecting and replacing the heating element. So what you need to do is you want to go ahead and make sure that you're not using your oven here. So if you just recently use it, try using it. If you try using it before, you may want to wait for a bit because again, we are going to touch the heating element here. So what you need to do is you want to go ahead and let it rest first. Then you want to open the oven and remove the racks here. So this racks here. And you want to screw and take off the bottom base panel of the oven. So here, usually in here. And you want to locate the heating element. So unscrew it and carefully detach the wires. Now replace it with a new heating element here. And make sure you connect the wires correctly. And reattach your base panel and oven racks. Now again, like what I said before, I would highly recommend you to only do this if you know what you're doing, but if not, it's best that you reach out to Samsung support to get you in touch with a technician that knows what to do. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.